I'm Robert Hamer, Human Resources Director at Ron Marhofer Auto Family in Akron, Ohio. Here at Ron Marhofer, our team members are the key to driving our success. They always have been, and they always will be. That's where AutoStaff comes in as a good strategic partner for us. Matt, Tony, and the team from AutoStaff have taken the time to get to know us, our team members, our cultures, our values, and to be able to help us recruit a winning team of employees both in our fixed and variable departments. They bring us strong men and women who are able to identify with our guests' needs and make sure that everyone leaves with a world-class customer experience. In our ever-changing world, we're starting to realize that hiring the right staff and the right people is increasingly important, but even more so, it's becoming very difficult as there are more jobs than there are talented, quality people. So AutoStaff has helped us to identify who those employees are, bring them on board, train them, develop them, and help them be successful in our everyday practices. If you're an auto dealership looking to hire either in fixed, variable, or administration, I strongly recommend AutoStaff to bring in the best talent and help you find and develop the people that are successful for your organization.